Hello, this is Eric Baird. I'm at 1334 Jackson. I'm going to be sharing this property with you, so let's go. All right, 1334 Jackson. We're across the street. I want to first, I'm starting here because I want to point out, and you hear kind of a low humming. This is the trolley tracks. So the trolley goes right in front of this property. And you have Hyde Street and Polk Street, which are two iconic streets that are just wonderfully filled with restaurants and boutique shops, coffee shops. Just really, really lovely. Okay, this is 1334 Jackson. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with kitchen, living room, and just lots and lots of features that I know you're gonna love. Okay, so as we come up the stairs, we're greeted by a really big, spacious area, wooden floors, wainscoting, picture railing. It's just really beautiful. We're gonna start in the kitchen. So let's move down here, and let's first start in the kitchen, because kitchen is really important. And the owner, who's a wonderful person, has really done a really nice job here. So quartz countertops, Bosch dishwasher, Bosch range, microwave, stainless refrigerator, and of course garbage disposal. Lots of cabinet space, and just a really, really lovely area that's really well lit. Here we have a table, which the tenants, as a tenant, you may or may not keep. That would be up to you, but depending on how you want to use the space. Now here we got Maytag oversized laundry machine, washer and dryer. And this is the fire escape. And then as you can see, there's views of the Golden Gate Bridge, which is really nice because you can see that also from the living room area. And these windows are double pane to keep the sound out and the warmth in. You have lots of molding, wainscoting along the walls. And then here, this is fun for San Francisco. This is where people would put their figurines or pictures or stuff like that, which is really, really nice. Decorative fireplace. Transom, this is nice because again, it allows a lot more light to come in so you can better appreciate the height of these really tall ceilings. Bathroom number 1, again, there's 2.5 bathrooms, big oversized sink, tub, shower combination. All right, as we work down, now we're gonna go through all the bedrooms. Okay, so bedroom number 1, custom closet, big tall ceilings, wooden floors, lots of space. It's nice that every bedroom has its own key if you so desire, depending on the configuration of your household. That may be a benefit or a desire. This is a shower, nice big sink again, tile floors, backsplash there. Lots of light. Again, it's amazing how much light is really coming out. This is a fun bathroom. So everyone wants a lot of bathrooms, and so this property delivers. So you have a toilet here, and a lot of times that's all you get. But here, the owner was clever enough to find a perfectly fitted sink, and that's a medicine cabinet too if you want to do some storage. So that's really, really nice. All right, working our way down. Of course, this is the entrance that we came up. Coming in here, we have another bedroom. This one's, again, a really good sized bedroom. And I'm going to share with you the closet here. All right, wooden floors, and you can hear the echo. That's how indicative of how big the space is here. This is another one of the bedrooms. And again, this has a nice closet as well. And last but not least, this is the 4th bedroom. Now this is converted. This would be considered a converted 4th bedroom. Nice bay window. This overlooks Jackson Street. So if you do use this as a bedroom, you get to enjoy the sound of the trolleys going by, but not too much because it is a double pane window. So a lot of that sound will be muffled, but definitely something to enjoy hours. They don't run 24/7, so they stop. So which is if you're concerned about that, but it's certainly iconic of San Francisco to live next to the trolleys. Okay, that's it. 1334 Jackson. This is September of 2023. This property is available right now for the lucky person that's going to be able to live in here. So please give us a call. We're doing showings and we'll look forward to seeing you. All right, bye-bye.